Immunisation plays a critical role in ensuring organisational safety and wellness. By promoting personal protection against vaccine-preventable diseases, it's about safeguarding your team and maintaining a healthy, safe workplace. However, many organisations still operate without a unified system for immunisation and vaccine management. This lack of cohesion threatens effective risk management. Relying on paper trails and outdated spreadsheets to track staff vaccination wastes time and resources, leaving organisations without a clear view of vaccination status. For example, gathering compliance data for a workforce of over 50 employees could take weeks, sifting through paper files and spreadsheets. The complexity and responsibility involved in organising vaccinations is indeed a multi-step process that requires careful planning, coordination and communication. From ensuring the availability of vaccines to scheduling appointments, managing records and reporting outcomes, each step is crucial. Backed by 25 years of healthcare software innovation, Ocean Health Systems developed Multiprac Immunize to eliminate these challenges. This program empowers immunisers, connecting HR, staff and immunisers in one seamless, easy-to-use platform. With Multiprac Immunize, everything is streamlined. Add staff, manage sites, categorise groups and upload vaccination records or PDFs effortlessly. How does it work? With intelligent screening and smart immunity tracking, Multiprac Immunize reviews staff immunity and streamlines vaccine scheduling. HR initiates access for new staff, schedules appointments and sends notifications via SMS, email or Teams. Staff receive proof of vaccination and are updated on any vaccination requirements in real time. Immunisers control the data flow, ensuring all vaccinations and updates are logged quickly and accurately. This dramatically reduces data entry time, allowing hours if not days of labour to be saved. Vaccination statuses, immunity summaries and serology results can now be accessed at the click of a button. Customisable reports for immunity, vaccination delivery, screening, serology and individual treatment summaries are available instantly. For a solution that delivers unified, connected software for vaccine management, creates a safer workplace for staff and patients, enables efficient tracking of staff vaccinations and scheduling, provides operational insights to maximise program effectiveness, enhances compliance and organisational response for staff safety from transmittable diseases, look no further than Multiprac Immunize. By centralising information, immunisers can track progress, manage vaccination appointments and upload data to the Australian Immunisation Register with staff consent. This efficient flow reduces the chance of error and ensures compliance with organisational policies. Vaccination acts as an invisible shield, reducing disease transmission in the workplace. With Multiprac Immunize, organisations can efficiently manage immunisation screening, vaccination programs and create a safer environment for their teams. Multiprac Immunize, your streamlined staff vaccination management tool.